what can we do
Okay,
next?
so this is the disinfectant. So we need to
What's next?
mopping the floor.
Okay. Good morning. おはようございます。今日は比較的大きな町に着く予定です。そうそう。今日ホステルに泊まります。はい。もうパースから出て400キロぐらい離れてますね。振り返ってみると、住んでんねんなーって思いますね。はい。自分がどんだけ住んでるかって分かれば、モチベーションも上がってきますよね。はい。If you know how far you went, that motivates me, right? I did 40k from Perth.So, yeah, that motivates me. 今日も頑張っていきましょう !Let's go! はい、今日宿泊する街に着きました。すごい綺麗な素敵なビーチタウンっていう感じです。I only have a small amount of money, so I have to survive with it until Friday, which is tomorrow. So I have 2 days more.So yeah, today I'm gonna cook lunch and dinner. So I'm gonna buy something really cheap ones, maybe tomato sauce or like some pastas. もうあと 7.81 ドルしかないわ。全然お金ないわ。せっかく街におんのに。で洗濯もしなあかんやろ。ほんなら明日何も買えないですね。まあ今日一応明日の分も買っておいたんで、まあ食パンとか卵だけですけど、81セントでなんか買えればね、はい、ハングリージャックスで多分ソフトクリームが70セントか60セントぐらいで売ってるはずなんですよ。ちょっと行ってみたいと思います。これ60セントは安すぎる。すげえ、この部屋一人で使えるらしいです。ここが僕のベッドです。めっちゃいい。Yeah, close to beach. It's clean. 綺麗やし3099円っていう安さやし、んで場所もいいし、ホステルの人は素敵やし、キッチンもこんなに綺麗。しかもこうやってフリーフードもあるり、調味料とかもあります。わあ、This laundry is close to the hostel, which means this laundry is close to the beach. While I'm waiting for laundry, let's go to beach. すげえ、めちゃくちゃ雰囲気のいいビーチです。人も全然おらん。まあ8月なんで、冬っちゃまだ冬なんで、一人やけどめちゃくちゃ綺麗なビーチ。Oh my god, it's $2. So normally it's $1 to use dryers, but here it's $2. So decided to dry my clothes like naturally, like I'm gonna hang them out. 乾きますように。じゃがいもご飯を作ってみました。Rice was in a free corner.And potato was also in a free corner. じゃあ明日もね、結構素敵な街なんで観光楽しみたいと思います。その前に編集をね、今夜は頑張りたいと思います。これ食べた後、料理うまいわ。I was too tired last night, so yeah, so I went to bed earlier, so that's why I couldn't edit. Today I'm gonna do a little bit searching, and after that I'm gonna edit as much as possible. But the problem is this, I have about $3. 朝ごはんはこのホステルのフリーの無料のやつなんで楽しみです。まあパンとかシリアルとかと思うんですけどね、コーヒーとかも無料で飲めるらしいんで、いただきまーす。Hi, have you seen a lady who has had she's a bit short.
Sure.
Yeah, and she just stayed here like a week and a half. No idea.
Oh yes, the little older lady.
Yeah.
Anne. Have I
Anne.
seen her?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Okay.
Do you
I'm
need to
looking for
talk
her. Yeah.
I can knock on her door.
Oh really? Yeah, she was nice to me, so I wanna say goodbye.
Okay, I'll see if I can find her.
Thanks so much.
The young Japanese boy would like to say goodbye to you.
Thanks so much. Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Thank you so much.
So you're going to be camping out
Yes.
tonight?
So I wanna ask you, like, is there any good place to visit? Like must go?
What, in Geraldton?
Yeah, in Jordan.
Oh, okay. I'll just get my key.
Ah, thank you so much.
There's a lookout,
Yeah.
which, you know, during World War II, back in 1944-45, there was the Germans ship that sank an Australian ship just off the coast up here.
Okay.
And so they've got a memorial up on the hill. You can probably see it out here.
From here.
I haven't been and seen it myself.
Okay.
The building's too tall here. It's
Yeah.
just up on the hill behind that building.
Stop.
I was just telling him, he was asking me about because he's had his thing stolen from his night before. And I was wondering, because he's got to stay another night he's staying another night in Geraldton.
I'm gonna camp around here, and if you don't mind, I wanna leave my stuff here.
That's okay.
Is it
Be
okay?
able to do
Thanks
that.
so
I told him
much.
that, if you don't mind.
Yeah, no, that's all right.
Yeah.
No,
Thanks
that's
so
okay.
much. Yeah.
Yeah, but where's your money?
Where's my money?
Yeah.
In my
In
pocket.
no, in your bank.
In my bank.
In your bank. You can't
Yeah.
get it out of your bank?
I have a certain budget, and
Oh, okay.
yeah,
so you've
tomorrow
just worked
is,
out your budget.
Yeah.
Okay, and you're camping tomorrow.
yeah.
Tonight.
Tonight.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No, but you can leave it here. You just
Wow.
can't. You can't keep my key though. I have to give the key back, which
Sure,
you've
yeah.
given me.
Yeah.
You'll just need to call me when you want to come back in.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ring so I can get you back inside
Wow.
the property. Yeah.
Thank you.
That's all right.
Thanks so much. 見てください。アンに5ドルもらいました。3ドルしかないって言ったら、ジーザスクライシスが彼にあげろって言ってるって。キリスト教すごいな。アンもキリスト教らしくて。ここは HMAS シニー2 Memorials。読み方合ってるかわかんないですが、ここはどんな場所かっていうと、世界第二次世界大戦で亡くなってしまった船乗りの645人の方を祀っている場所になります。で、眺めもすごいです。こんな風に歴史も語られています。そして亡くなった方たちの名前が綴られています。Yes, so I arrived at History Museum. A museum tells you the history of Geraldton. Let's go.
Really wasn't.
ジェラルドトンの歴史だけかなと思ったら、西オーストラリア中心の、ワイルドライフ、野生の動物の生態だったり、難破船のことだったり、アボリジニの歴史だったり、いろんなことを教えてくれるミュージアム、博物館でしたね。シドニー号っていう名前の船、645人亡くなってしまった事件ですね。世界第二次世界大戦の時に沈んでしまったのに、2015年にその難破船はやっと見つかったみたいです。はい、そんな歴史とかも知れる興味深い博物館なので、ぜひ皆さんも行ってみてください。自転車を止めさせてもらう約束してたんで、ここにやってきました。So much. Too sorry.
It's going to be bad weather tonight.
Oh, but it'll be okay. Yeah,
Oh, I don't
it's
think
gonna be
so.
alright. You don't think so?
If you want to stay
Yeah.
and you don't have any money, you can help my sister clean the kitchen tonight.
Oh,
If you want to do that,
really?
yeah. I don't think I want you in the stormy weather.
Is it stormy? Oh,
Well,
I'm
it
all done.
will be stormy.
Really?
Yeah. So yes, if you want to stay in the room,
Yeah.
I'm happy for you if you help do the kitchen at 9 o'clock tonight.
Really?
Help her clean.
Yeah. Can I do that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Wow, you're so nice.
Okay.
Okay, thanks so much. っていうことでですね、なんとキッチンの掃除の手伝いをしたらタダでホステルに泊めてもらうことになりました。うわー、なんていい人たち。めっちゃ掃除頑張ります。I'm so glad to come back here. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna tell you what happened. Yeah, so Pippa told me you can stay here if I do clean kitchen. Yes. Tonight. So I'm gonna stay here so I can cook and I can How much can we eat? Give me more. Is it good?
Yes, I'm enjoying it. Thank you very much.
Thank you. What can we do
Okay,
next?
so this is the disinfectant. So we need to wipe all of the tray.
Okay.
The trivets and then wipe all of the bench.
Okay, cool. I'll do it. What's next?
Mopping the floor.
Okay. Oh, okay. っていうことでですね、掃除も終わって今から編集頑張りたいと思います。ほんまありがたいですね。Good morning. おはようございます。今からですね、カードを引いてもらって予算を決めたいと思います。ホステルで出会った What's your name?
Georgia.
Georgia.
I'm Georgia.
Georgia from Europe.
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
Please draw high number. Oh my god!
It's good.
Not really. You draw number 2.
Yeah.
Right. 2を引いてもらったんで
Ok.
731 views.
731.
Multiply 2,
Two.
which is you draw.
Yeah.
Multiply 5 cents. So $73 and 1 cent. 10 cents.
Okay.
Yeah, it's my wiki button.
Yeah.
It's not too bad.
You can also ask Carlo if you want.
No,
No?
I can't. That's my
just
rule.
one.
Just one.
Oh. But if the week amount for the week or just
For the
day?
week. For the week.
For the week.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry.
No. It's. Wow, she's so nice. She gave it to me. Wow.
It's not heavy. Please.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Just 19 seconds
Sorry.
in the
microwave.
Yeah.
Thank you
Please.
so much. Sorry. Wow. I'm feeling bad. Thanks so much.
No, thanks to you. And good trip.
Thank you. You too. Wow. Yeah. Ciao. If I camped last night, I would be blown away.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
That's what I was worried about.
Thank you.
That would be much fun for you. Put that in there. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, I had a wind really strong last
Yes,
night.
I know. Big storm. That's what I thought. I
Yeah.
thought you would not want to be in the storm. No.
Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You look after yourself and be careful with your cycling.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Been lovely to meet you. Very nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being nice to me.
My pleasure. I like you. Very nice person.
Wow. Thank you. I will come back here by car.
Yes, that would be wonderful. Yes.
By car.
By car, that we'd love to see you.
And I will bring my friends.
Please, you tell all your friends to come.
Oh, it says veg and fruit.
Every street.
Okay,
So when you come
so
back,
that store, right? The sign
yeah,
saying
fruit
fruit and veg.
very
Yeah.
cheap on Saturday morning.
Okay.
And so, okay?
Thank you. Wow. If I didn't get close to you, I wouldn't get this awesome experience. Thank you so much.
All right. Well, try to help.
Thank you.
In Jesus' name.
Yeah.
We'll guide it. So,
Thank you.
I'll let you go.
Thank you again.
Yeah.
Nice meeting
I
you.
will.
Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Bye. I hope I can see you one day.
Yeah,
Bye.
you never know.
Never know. Come to Japan. こんな入って 2.89 ドル。わあ、ちょっと黒いけどこれにしよう。いやほんまにいいホステルでしたし、いい人ばっかりでした。いいホステルにはいい人が集まるんでしょうね。はい、ほんまいい経験でした。まさかね、こう働かせてもらってでタダで泊めてもらえるなんてね、夢にも思ってなかったんで、ほんま嬉しいです。And good hostel, good people. Yes. じゃあ今日も頑張ってこれでいきたいと思います。じゃあこの動画はこれまで。See ya!